approach has been when it comes to preparing for and mitigating cyber incidents? How do you ensure that the team is always, ready to respond for any kind of threats or the breach?
Yeah. So this is one of the interesting questions which you have asked, and as I mentioned earlier, right, my inspiration or my trigger to get into the cybersecurity was exposure to security incidents. I've been
Right.
part of many security incidents wherein I've handled the ransom attacks, any kind of but the data leakage, insider threats, and all. So when it comes to incident response, Simran, like the preparation starts with absolute clarity. You should have complete clarity about what roles you have it, what escalation paths you have it, and what are the communication protocols you're gonna follow.
Right.
With this, you have to implement the appropriate cybersecurity incident response framework, wherein you have predefined playbooks of different scenarios, be it ransom, data leak, or insider threats.